For homeowners in Clinton Township, investing in an energy-efficient roof is one of the smartest ways to save money, reduce environmental impact, and boost home comfort year-round. Michigan's climate, with its cold winters and warm summers, demands roofing materials that provide insulation, reflectivity, and durability. Whether you're replacing an old roof or building new, choosing the right roofing system can make a significant difference in your energy bills and overall home performance. Why energy efficiency matters in roofing. Your roof acts as your home's first line of defense against heat loss and gain. In the winter, poor insulation allows warmth to escape, while in the summer, dark, heat-absorbing materials can make your attic and upper floors uncomfortably hot. Energy-efficient roofing systems minimize these issues by reflecting sunlight, maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, and reducing the workload on your HVAC system. By upgrading to a high-efficiency roof, Clinton Township homeowners can expect to see lower monthly energy costs, improved indoor comfort, longer roof lifespan due to reduced thermal stress, increased property value and market appeal. Top energy-efficient roofing options. Cool roofing materials are designed to reflect more sunlight and absorb less heat than traditional roofs. These materials often have reflective coatings or are made from light-colored materials that naturally deflect solar radiation. Best for Clinton Township homes: cool asphalt shingles, metal panels with reflective coatings, and light-colored tiles. Homeowners can also apply cool roof coatings to existing roofs to enhance performance without full replacement. Benefits: lowers roof surface temperature by up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Reduces cooling costs in summer. Extends roof material lifespan. Metal roofing has become increasingly popular for its durability and energy efficiency. Modern metal roofs feature reflective finishes and can be coated with cool roof pigments that increase solar reflectance. Why it works: metal roofs reflect radiant heat from the sun instead of absorbing it, helping to keep attics cooler. They also provide excellent snow shedding capabilities during Michigan's snowy months. Benefits: highly durable, lasting 40 to 70 years. Recyclable and environmentally friendly. Reduces summer heat gain and winter heat loss. Asphalt shingles with reflective granules. For homeowners who prefer the traditional look of asphalt shingles, energy-efficient options are available. Reflective or cool asphalt shingles use specially coated granules that reduce heat absorption. Best for budget-conscious homeowners who want to upgrade without switching roofing materials entirely. Benefits: affordable and easy to install. Available in various colors and styles. Improves energy performance without compromising aesthetics. Tile roofing. Clay and concrete tiles are known for their thermal resistance and natural reflectivity. They allow for airflow between the roof and underlayment, reducing heat transfer into the home. Why it's great for Michigan: while heavier than other materials, tile roofs excel at maintaining stable indoor temperatures and can withstand harsh weather conditions when properly installed. Benefits: excellent insulation properties. Long-lasting, often over 50 years. Low maintenance and weather resistant. Green or living roofs. A sustainable option for eco-conscious homeowners. Green roofs feature vegetation and soil layers installed over a waterproof membrane. They act as natural insulators, reducing heat gain in summer and retaining warmth in winter. Benefits: superior energy savings. Improves air quality and stormwater management. Extends roof membrane life by protecting it from UV radiation. Considerations: green roofs require proper structural support and maintenance but offer unmatched environmental benefits. Additional tips for energy-efficient roofing: upgrade insulation. Combining a reflective roof with high-quality attic insulation provides maximum efficiency. Ensure proper ventilation. Balanced airflow prevents heat buildup and moisture damage. Choose Energy Star rated materials. Look for products certified for high reflectivity and thermal performance. Hire professional installers. Correct installation ensures your roof performs as intended and maintains warranty coverage. Final thoughts: energy-efficient roofing is more than just an upgrade. It's a long-term investment in your Clinton Township home's comfort, savings, and sustainability. Whether you choose a reflective metal roof, eco-friendly green system, or cool asphalt shingles, the right materials and installation can significantly reduce your home's carbon footprint and energy costs. By making the switch today, you're not only protecting your home but also contributing to a greener, more energy-conscious Clinton Township community.